my guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Damola Kevwe, and today we will be making a custard cake dessert, but with ginger carrot cake instead of a vanilla cake. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get baking. Before you start baking, you need to get your ingredients out. You don't want to be looking for something halfway into getting your batter ready. So you will need flour, ginger, sugar, oil, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, nutmeg, vanilla extract, eggs, carrots. Go ahead and pause the video and get your ingredients. Now that we have your ingredients set, wash your hands. Corona or no corona, always wash your hands, please. The easiest way to bake is to mix all the dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately and then mix them both. So let's start with the dry ingredients. I like to sieve my flour before use so the cake is more fluffy. Then we add our baking soda, add a little salt and ground nutmeg, and don't forget to add cinnamon and mix them all together. Okay, before I continue, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down here and give this video a big thumbs up. So this is a food processor. I use it to mix all the wet ingredients together, to blend some ingredients to make it smooth, and to do the final mix sometimes. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my carrots because it's too big and I'm going to have to cut it into smaller pieces. And now we do the same for the ginger. So now we blend. After all that blending, the mix should look like this, or smoother if you want. Okay, sugar. So we keep our sugar in this cute container and have vanilla sticks in it because we can. Ideally, it would have been under my dry ingredients, but because it's cubed, and I want it crushed along with the wet ingredients. So I just check online for a cube equivalent of granulated sugar to stay on the right track. Time to add eggs. I don't break the eggs directly into the processor because if an egg is bad, then you have to start again. So I do it one by one in a separate bowl, or in this case, my measuring cup. The next ingredient is oil. But instead of vegetable oil, I use coconut oil because that's what we prefer in this house. Now I'm adding vanilla essence because it enhances the flavors of the other ingredients in the recipe. Alright, so our wet ingredients are in and it's time to blend again. So we've got our dry ingredients and wet ingredients prepared, and now we mix them together. Yeah, like I mentioned in my previous video, I lost the footage of my dry ingredients part, but this is what my mix looked like. Some more blending and mixing, and this is what your final batter should look like. Now grease the cake pan. Once again, I'm using coconut oil. Pour the batter into the pan. Make sure the top is smooth because that's how it's going to look at the end. Finally, we place the cake in the oven and set the timer for about 30 minutes. iPhone users, this is a quick hack to set a timer from your control center.
Eventually,
use a toothpick to check if it's cooked. If the toothpick comes out with the batter stuck to it, it's not cooked, so you need to stay for a bit longer. Once it's cooked, bring it out and place it on a cake tray.
Wait. Why are you not so?
Do you get? Now that we're done baking, let's convert it into a nice homemade dessert. I also don't have footage on the custard making process anymore, but it's not too hard to make. Place the custard in a bowl, add some cold water and mix it. Don't make it too thick or too watery. Boil some water. You want that water really hot and pour it in and keep stirring till it starts to form and get thicker. Once you're done making the custard, add some sugar and milk to your satisfaction. We use condensed milk for this dessert. Cut the cake into small sizes and then place them in bowls and add the custard. We also added Oreos to give it some extra feel and poured some more condensed milk over the top. This simple dessert probably costs so much at an expensive restaurant, and you can make it at home. Alright, so we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because I mean, why not? Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye. Cheers! Tables!